Alright, good morning guys. This is actually Asian section and we are on gold. Look at what happened here. If you watch my previous video I made on about gold after NFP trade, you will know that I drew something here where I had an imbalance and I told the guys that price was going to come in and get rejected down here. Just look at, we got about 10 pips from this particular place, guys. 10 pips from here. Let me show you something. So this is it here. Price came and traded into this place and about 20 pips, guys. Even on the 1 minute, more like a confirmation around here. So guys, you really have to be following me like to get good update. I'm going to attach the video here where I talked about gold. So let me show you on the 1 minute that we had a confirmation. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. So we have the last high here, the last low, and you see how price came in and broke here. So when you have a break of structure here, guys, this is what you do. Let me show you how you could have entered this trade without risking much. So break of structure, and you see how price retrace around here. So if price retrace around here, you want to take your entry from here down to this particular POI. So you would have just had your entry from here, rather from here, then your stop loss around this other block, and your TP is here, guys. That's 18 pips clean. So this is it, guys. I'm going to attach the video as a proof where I told you we are expecting price to come into this zone and I later mark it out and I left it, guys. So this is it. Those that watched those previous videos, I'm sure they took the opportunity, like took very good of the opportunity, like. So those that watched the last video, I'm sure they made use of this great opportunity. Like this is it here. You see everything happening right before you, guys. So look at those that were awake. I'm very sure they took something here. Even if most people were trying to buy above here, but me, I knew that price was going to reject around this whole imbalance. And after coming back to this FVG, we see a spread price to push further. So that's it. I just wanted to show you quick results, guys. 15 minutes, you see that price came in and tapped into this my imbalance here, this line of my imbalance here, and it's rejected a little, then pushed down, giving you a break of structure, guys. So that is it for gold. And now if you look further, what is price trying to do? Price is trying to fill up this gap up to 50%, this liquidity void up to 50%, before we can start start selling continuously. So that's just it. So that is how I was able to analyze the trade. So guys, this is more like a top-down analysis. And one thing you should know, that you have the probability of getting a good setup at the beginning of London session and at the beginning of New York session. So these are the two times you should come to, mostly dollar paired currency, to look out for a good setup. So looking out for this trade now, this will be my next level of point of interest, like my next point of interest here, this particular place here. So this is called a mitigation block. So price should come here and mitigate this particular block. So let me draw it out so you can see, guys. So maybe on Monday or Tuesday, price should just trade above this particular point, and don't forget that on the bigger time frame we are bearish because price broke structure here on the 1 hour here. Sorry, my chart looks somehow, but this is a break of structure here. So on the 30 minutes, don't forget that we are still very bearish. So we want to see price come and mitigate this particular zone. This is a mitigation block here. is even visible on the 30 minutes. Using ICT concept, you know that this is a mitigation log. So you want to see price fill up all this imbalance here, this liquidity void here, and from here it starts selling from this particular place. So that's just it on today's video. You guys saw how I was able to, you know, do the analysis right from the beginning of London. Alright guys, so for now I cannot really say anything until London section. So we still have this imbalance here. We don't know if price might come and fill up here or close or break above. So everything is just going to be ready by London section. So guys, please do well to like and subscribe to my channel, please, for more important videos. So thank you for watching to the very end.